Hello everyone and welcome to the review of the Archeer AH45 headphones, and I must tell you from the beginning that these things are actually impressive, and I can call them one of the best headphones from all the headphones that you can get on cheap prices over the internet. You may know that there are a million type of headphones, so why choose this? Because for example, they blow out of the water the Blue Radio series. You know them, I have reviewed them. Also, reviewing headphones on YouTube is kind of difficult because I can tell you, wow, they sound great, but they cannot sound great, or they sound very bad and they actually sound good. So it's only my opinion on my ears on these headphones. But from all the cheap headphones that I have tested, these things sound the best out of them. And that's not all, because they are actually two-in-one headphones, and I'm going to show you why right now. So I'm going to skip looking at the box because there's not much to see. They come with an impressive manual with labels, with instructions, and it features several languages. It's not the usual Chinese manual that you get with most headphones. It also comes with cables, of course, and you get a regular RC or 3.5 or 3 pins, you can call it whatever, mini jack. They come also with a micro USB to USB cable for charging, and those are the headphones. And there is a plastic cap. This thing is from here, and you are going to see why. So I'm going to take that off, and I'm going to take this other cap off. And they don't weigh that much, because there are some Blue Radio headphones that have a lot of metal parts, not to break, but they break eventually, and those are very heavy, and even if they are soft here, they will still press on your head if you use them for a few hours. These are a lot more lighter than those. They have very soft ear cushions, and they have this nice articulation which snaps into place, and they have a lot of flexibility. So if you have a big head, and I hope that you will not take that as an insult, these headphones will be probably more comfortable for you than other models. They are also having a lower articulation there. And now, taking a closer look here, you have a microphone, because they can be used as also headphones with microphones, or a hands-free for your mobile phone. A lightning port, micro USB port for charging, volume keys, power on and Bluetooth pair key, LED for indication, and the best thing out of them is this power on switch here, which shows headphones and speaker on. And now that we have reached that, I have told you that these headphones are two-in-one. That is because each headphone has a speaker inside and a big speaker outside, and they also act as Bluetooth speakers, stereo speakers, and these things are very loud, and you can use them not only as a regular headphone, but you can take them off of your head, put them on a table, and you can enjoy them with several people, because they will sound very good. Let's try now to pair them and do a quick test. So I'm going to press the power button until this LED starts flashing two colors. It should be red and blue. Hope that you can see it. And now it's in bind mode, so I'm going to search for them, and there it goes, AH45. So I'm going to pair with them, and I'm now connected, and I have volume control already here. I can use them for smart unlock if I wish to, and I can select on my mobile phone what functions to use it for phone audio, media, audio, contact sharing. Alright, so I'm going to let all the features work, and now I'm going to check the mobile volume. So I'm going to put it almost to lowest because I don't want these things to be too powerful and blast us with sound and cover anything. And now I'm going to start a video, one of my videos, and the sound is in the headphones, but I don't know if you can see them, hear it, sorry. I'm going to put it on speaker, and how cool is that? So, switching from simple headphones to speakers, it's simply amazing. And the volume control works directly on your Android device, and those are the headphones now. Yet still amazing how nice they work. I wonder if they can have other features as well. We'll see about that, but I'm highly impressed on the power output of these things, and I'm going to do a separate test for that, but I can't do it now because I'm going to wake up people with screaming headphones. So that was my quick test, and I'm going to say once again that I'm really impressed about these headphones, because at their price they do sound really nice, and I can compare them with some high-end headphones like Roccat gaming headsets with 5.1 true surround system and other things like that. These things really sound awesome, and I like the fact that comparing, for example, with the Blue Audio, which kind of got famous in the last period of time, they have full range speakers, because Blue Audio has a tendency to have very powerful low frequencies, but they lose in mid-range and high-range frequencies. Well, these headphones actually cover the full range of music and voice and things like that, so you have deep and powerful low notes, but also you get the best out of the other ranges as well. So I highly recommend them. You should really check them out as an alternative to a lot of other headphones, and their price is really great for their performance. Until next time, bye bye.